Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, so I'm taking a look at this beautiful one bedroom at the Briarly in Houston, Texas. And I'm just looking around and man, this is gorgeous. I already looked at the kitchen and the living room, but now we're gonna go into the bedroom and the bath. So this is part two. We're looking, wow, this is a king size bed. It's just gorgeous. It's a beautiful king size bed. It's got a really nice, really nice window that's here. It's just gorgeous. It's good. It's letting in a lot of light. It's fun. It's got kind of a really nice kind of masculine theme in here. The pretty walls. It's a nice accent wall in there. Looks like a croquet set, or actually a polo set. Excuse me. So that's really cool. And then here is the bathroom. The bathroom is gorgeous. Really nice quartz countertops in here, beautiful cabinets. I like these open shelves too. That's really cool. That's kind of European. It's a really nice shower. Wow, that goes all the way, the backsplash goes all the way to the top. That's pretty cool. And then look at this washer dryer built in that's there, and the closet's here too. So nice size. It's a walk-in. It feels great. This feels it feels like the perfect amount of square feet. It's not massively big, definitely. It's kind of a, smaller size, but everything fits well. It's a really good floor plan. Hey, if you've got questions anytime about anything you're seeing here at the Briarly, send me a text, use the number below, just say, "Hello, Grant," and we can just go from there.